In Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Chatham County in southeastern Georgia until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Savannah International Airport, moving south at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fuller, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 Interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, Windsor Forest, Downtown Savannah, Savannah International Airport, Coffee Bluff, Midtown Savannah, Godley Station, and Hutchinson Island. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 between mile markers 164 and 168. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 93 and 107. Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 3 and 9. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.